Long ago in the before times, the original Dune Buggies looked a lot like this. There was a guy named Jerry Miller who took a 1932 Ford pickup and turned it into a Dune Buggy by moving the engine to the middle and putting the people all the way out back, so you have as much weight over the back wheels as you can. You can see that's an old flathead V8. You got some hard metal seats there, big old rat fink shifter for shifting gears, and you're sitting on top of the gas tank if you're the passenger, and you're sitting on the electrics if you're the driver. A little touch of class there with the Cadillac steering wheel on a big long stick to keep it going straight. I like the big sideways leaf spring on the back of this. So no shock absorber, just a big old giant sideways leaf spring. Think that's standard Ford 1932 pickup truck tackle, but you guys can tell me for sure, all you Ford guys who know more about them than I do. There's the battery lurking underneath it. So lightweight and its weight as far as back as possible. There's the big rat fink shifter you can see, and the clutch and the brake pedal. So before the Dune Buggy Volkswagen guys showed up and really changed the game, this was the way you would get the weight on the back wheels, which were your drive wheels, and hopefully stay unstuck while you were ripping around the dunes. And up front, you've got another big old giant leaf spring, no brakes, and a little bit of loose steering there with some big fat tires that should float over the sand if you let most of the air out of them. So there you go, a little piece of history. That's what it used to be like, and I'm sure they had just as much as fun as we do. They just got a lot dirtier in that thing than we do in our modern vehicles.